One of the reasons that we chose specific netting products is because they really do have a hands-on approach in a lot of different areas. From a design perspective, they have hands-on experience with the installation of the nets and the maintenance of the nets, and they also have really a pretty good understanding of the regulatory framework from which utilities operate. So once we explained what we needed in terms of a net, they didn't try to sell us something that we didn't need, but they worked to try to give us a product that met our needs in every way, especially from a structural integrity issue, one that was going to stay there over the long haul. Dyneema material was chosen over nylon because we had a concern that if there was a failure that it could end up affecting the turbines. When you select the net material in the design, very critical that the right material be chosen to make sure that you don't have a net failure that ultimately ends up impacting your operation of the turbine. The distance of the net from the intake on main generator 8 was a concern because of the high velocities at that close proximity to the unit. So there was a concern that if the Dyneema net failed in that particular area, that there wasn't an opportunity for it to kind of sag down and relieve itself, but it would actually be pulled into the turbine and create some operational issues for the turbine. The net is only about 40 feet from the intake on unit number 8. We reduced the inspection frequency of the ROVs from once a month to once a quarter because we did not find any significant net integrity issues. The advantage of being able to do an ROV inspection once a quarter is that you cut your overall cost by a fourth. The cost to do an ROV inspection is about $3,000. Typically, it takes us using our internal plant labor about 2 days to perform a net inspection. So it's about a 4-man day effort. The leaves do infrequently appear on the net and provide some pretty significant blockage. A significant leaf blockage on the net has not caused any structural integrity issues with the net. No rips or tears of the netting material itself. If we were going to go through the same sort of process on another identical installation or even a similar installation, I think we would go through the similar kind of process. We would want to do, some good engineering. But one thing I can tell you for sure is that we would definitely be wanting to implement the same sort of design with the same sort of materials because up to this point the material has performed exceptionally well, and I don't think we would be looking to change our design any at all.